Let's check out how to make this refracted gradient animation here in Unicorn Studio. Alright, so first let's go here to the effects, and we're gonna need to search for beam. And let's go and select the beam. And then we're gonna need to modify this in the settings. As you can see, we got type of beams. And here we are right now at the lines, and here we get the point. And you also can experiment with a lot more beams here, but in my situation, I'm just gonna go with the point. And then you also got the chroma to increase or decrease the contrast, but I'm gonna bring it down. You also got the scale, bring it a little bit more up. Let me see the thickness. Yeah, so you got like multiple customizations here, which you can experiment with that. Okay, so next we're gonna go back here to the effects, and I'm gonna search for gradient map. And then let's select the gradient map. Now this is gonna reset the colors to default, but as you can see here, we got the colors, and here you can go and choose any kind of gradient you like, or you can customize, totally from scratch. In my situation, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm also gonna bring these handles a little bit more to the right, and then I'm gonna click here to add another handle, and this is gonna be black. So here I'm just gonna arrange these guys. I think it's pretty good, and then we're gonna need to adjust the beam to make it bigger. Let's go back to the beam, and then let's go here to the scale and bring it up. Now it's looking good. Now let's go back to the effects, and we're gonna search for blinds, or blinds. Let's go and select it. And this is going to create that really cool refraction effect, You can rotate it however you like, scale it. It's going to make it more dense or rare. And then you also customize this here manually. Here we get the amount. I'm going to decrease that. And you also can go into minus. So I'm going to go and decrease it from here into minus. And check this out. Now it's going to invert the refraction. Probably going to choose somewhere around 60. And then you also got the angle. Let's check out the distortion a little bit more. So this way you can make it like more intense or more subtle. And about least I also gonna add some noise, and we're gonna search for jitter. Let's go and select it. And here at the type, I wanna choose the random. So this is gonna be the pure noise. I'm gonna decrease the mix. This is gonna bring down the noise intensity a little bit more. And then you also got a threshold. And if you want to animate, all you need to do is go here to the play and click on the play at the blinds, for example. Oh my god, it's too fast. So I'm going to go here at the speed, decrease that. Last time I think I did it on 8, speed on 8, yes. I'm also going to animate the jitter. I'm going to hit play. Now the noise is animating, and you also can animate the gradient map. And take a look at that. And now you got a really cool abstract refraction going on. Thanks for watching.